how to set your notifications to your Discord app on your phone when you are currently AFK from the Discord app on your computer. So if you're logged into Discord on your computer, obviously you don't want to be getting notifications both via the phone and the Discord app via desktop. So what you can do is you can set a delay timer. So if you are away from your desktop for, let's say, 5 minutes, after those 5 minutes, Discord will then start pushing notifications to your phone via instead of just sending them to the desktop. So to change this, what we can do is go down to user settings. Okay. Click on notifications on the left hand side under app settings, and then you'll notice there is a section here called push notification AFK timeout. So Discord avoids sending push notifications to your mobile device when you're at your computer, because we obviously, as I stated previously, we don't want to be sending two places at the same time. Use this setting to control how long you need to be AFK for before you receive push notifications. So right now I have it as set as 10 minutes. Now for myself, I like to get up out of my desk and move around a lot, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is select 1 minute, okay? And then you can also select, see, I've done that, and then that's all there is to it. So that's how you select how long you want to wait before Discord will send you a notification to your phone when you are currently within the Discord app on your desktop.